Hey everybody, it's Chef Bhima here. So today we'd like to share with you all a recipe video of our breakfast version, the Rasa vegan fry up. So let's check how we do it. So today we want to show you the ingredients which we're going to use to make this vegan fry up. So let's check it out quick. So what the dish consists out of is we're going to have a tomato chutney with some avocado on the side, some mushrooms, some sauteed spinach, and this is what we're going to use to make our fried egg. Not a scrambled tofu egg, but our fried egg, yes. So we also have some baked beans to go with it, and we're going to make a hash brown, and we got our vegan meats, vegan sausage and vegan bacon, which we're going to fry it up. So let's start lighting the stove. A little bit of oil. We're going to start making the chutney. So these are the herbs and some of the spices we're going to use. This is oregano, rosemary, curry leaf, thyme and ginger. So what we're using in this chutney now, we're going to use some ginger and curry leaf. Okay, next we're adding cumin seeds, the tomatoes. Put in some oil, a little bit of oil for the vegan egg, and we put in a little bit of oil as well to fry them up. Okay, we're gonna start frying up the bacon. You know, since it's plant-based, it doesn't take long to cook. You just need a few minutes in the pan to get it nice and crisp and to get those lines, those char lines on it. So to make the egg white of your vegan egg, you add some plant-based milk, some corn flour, and some tapioca and some black salt. That's it. Next, you just get the layer going in the pan. And finally, you spoon out your egg yolk. Yeah, buddy. All the vegan egg, but without the embryo. Okay, I'm going to be adding spinach. I'm going to just saute it, cook it down a bit. So we're using it, we're cooking it in the pan we just cooked the tomatoes in, so it can absorb all those flavors. So what I'm going to do now to deglaze the pan so the spinach can get cooked down a bit and absorb all those flavors, I'm going to add a little bit of water. And there you got it. Pan will be clean and all the flavor in the greens. Okay, so these are the hash browns. We're gonna add a few spices. We're gonna add some oregano, herbs. A little bit of rosemary. And in here we have some gluten-free flour, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, tapioca flour, maizena. Maizena is also cornstarch. And before, just note that we did strain all the moisture from the carrot and potato by adding salt and then squeezing out the liquid. If you didn't do that step, your flapjacks or these cakes will not come out correct. Okay, this is what a finished vegan egg looks like. It looks like the real deal, without the cruelty, without killing an embryo. Okay, we're adding oil. We're gonna start to a clean pan. We're gonna add some oil. We're gonna now saute the mushrooms. Some oil. Okay, in this pan with oil, we added some thyme, and now you add the mushrooms. Pinch of salt. Add a few sprigs of rosemary. Final ingredient to add to deglaze, some vinegar. I wish you could smell these aromas, guys. Okay, after that is done, you move it aside. Just let the liquids draw up a bit. After that is done, set it aside and get it ready to serve. Okay guys, so now we're gonna make the hash brown patty from carrot and potato. Okay, so you get a nice amount in your hand. You roll a ball first, right? And from this ball, now you start pressing it. Get it into a patty form. Get some muscle in, then you shape the edges. You gotta shape the edges. Okay, you gotta shape the edges, guys. Otherwise, if you don't shape the edges, the patty or the hash brown will break, and we don't want that. Nice. Here we go. Let's get it on the pan. Add a little bit of oil to your pan.
Why am I speaking with Robin? Hi, Robin. Speaking with Robin from Focus.
Now that's the sound you want to hear, right? Press the patty down, the hash brown. Let's get the hash brown brown. Okay, you gotta press it down a bit more. So this hash brown, it's part of the tradition of having a great fry up. It's essential. Okay guys, so now we have all our finished products ready, and we are ready now to assemble the Rasa vegan fry up. Okay, so on our plate, as we're plating up this Rasa vegan fry up, we got our toast, 2 sausages, rashers of bacon, your hash brown, your vegan egg, you've got your mushrooms, you've got your tomato chutney, got your baked beans, and finally you've got your spinach. Hey everybody, it's Chef Bhima here. So we've got our finished product, the Rasa vegan fry up. We'd like to thank you all so much for staying tuned and for watching the video. So please beware for more videos to come. Thank you so much.